Welcome to EasyWall Designer for Etabs demo video. The diagram shows the standard design procedure for walls with uniform reinforcements. And here's a diagram that shows wall design procedure with using EWDFE program. Notice that the procedure was significantly reduced, resulting to a less work time with optimized design results. Now here's the demo. Start by opening the Etabs and load the project. For this demo, we will design the walls of a ground, plus 2 podium, plus 12 floors, plus roof building. Please note that before using EasyWall Designer for Etabs program, the building must be already safe in serviceability aspects, and the structural element sections must be all adequate. Start the analysis. Before start wall design, check first the shear wall design preference. Set the design code, material properties, and utility factor. When done, start shear wall design. Save the model, then export the XML design table. Open the EasyWall Designer for Etabs program. Start by clicking Connect to Etabs. Next is import the XML file. We will now set the definitions for this design. We will start with typical pier. For this demo, we will combine W5A, W5B, W5C, W5D, W5E, W5F, and W5G as a typical pier, with typical pier name W5. Click Typical Pier button, enter W5 as typical pier name, then assign the pier labels. For this demo, we set floors 4th to 9th as typical floors with typical floor name 4th-9th. Click Typical Floor. Enter the typical floor name, then assign typical floors. For this demo, we will use the following reinforcement as the selection rule. Click Reinforcement Rule. Start by adding diameter 12 with 200 spacing. Set the reinforcement type as horizontal only. Add the remaining reinforcements. Let's check the parameters. Please note that you already defined some of the parameters in the Etabs program. Edit the parameters as needed. Start the design by clicking Start Design button. Here's the design results with wall reinforcement schedule. The wall schedule shows the vertical and horizontal reinforcements for each pier label and the maximum reinforcements in the typical pier group W5. There are two options in verifying the result. Option 1 is manual assignment of reinforcements. Start by clicking the pier walls in the program. It will automatically select the same pier labels in the Etabs, then assign the reinforcements manually. Option 2 is exporting the modified E2K file. The modified E2K consists all the reinforcements in the wall schedule. Close the current Etabs and import the modified E2K file. Run the analysis and wall design as usual. Check the design results. Maximum DC ratio is less than utilization factor. This concludes this tutorial in using EasyWall Designer for Etabs.